Nothing beats coming home to the smell of fresh flowers. When most people think about scented flowers, they think of roses.
But more traditional choices like roses aren't always the best option if you want fragrance. So today we're going to give you some insider tips so that you can get the best smelling flowers for your home.
So when it comes to spring and summer, there's an absolute bounty of fragrant flowers.
We love freesias, peonies and locally grown roses.
So when it comes to the cooler months, hyacinths in autumn, in winter, beautiful stock and Geraldton wax. Foliage has an incredible scent quality as well, and nothing beats the fresh scent of eucalyptus. And another favourite of ours is scented geranium that you can usually find in your mum's backyard.
So what we're going to do now is show you how to put together a beautifully scented arrangement for your home. So we're going to make peonies the hero of our arrangement because they've got the most beautiful scent and of course they look amazing.
Now to start with, I'm just going to pop in a bit of foliage. You just want to make sure that there are no leaves that fall below the waterline in your vase. That helps your water stay clear and your flowers last longer. We'll pair that back with some spray carnations and some snapdragons.
So snapdragons are great for arrangements because they add height and they add colour, but they don't have much fragrance, which is why we're going with the peony for our hero.
We're just cutting this peony nice and short so it can sit just above the rim of this little vase.
Yeah, that just adds a nice bunch of fullness to the arrangement. There you go, that was a super easy arrangement to put together and it's got the beautiful hero scent of peony.